Okay, it wants me to go, it wants me to take the greenway. All right. Give me a fast ass run down the greenway. This is the first time it's ever taken me through the greenway to deliver food. You're D. All right. Yeah.
No, there's another no.
Yeah, I can't go. Yo no puedo.
No? One.
Listen. It's cool? Thanks. DoorDash, that was a dick move. First of all, he sent me to the ghetto. Second of all, really? That far out of my zone? Not cool. I'm not going past whatever guards you had at your door. If I eat one more bug. You want... What? You just told me to turn right. Bro, there's no right there. I don't know how to... I don't know what to tell you. What the fuck is going on? It said turn left, or turn right. Now it's telling me to turn left. Jesus. All right, turn onto Elm Street. Maybe this road actually exists. Woo. I feel like the Predator song should be playing right now. Where am I? Sandy Springs? Bro, no way. I'm in Sandy Springs. I am on... No way. No way. I am in Sandy Springs right now. I am so far from home. Oh, I am almost in Dunwoody. This lady ordered too much food. She's just doing too much. Okay, of course we're gonna say hello to Officer Friendly up here. So we're gonna have to... I'm just a little bicycle, got my little light on, 'cause I'm just a poor little bicycle. Can only do 20 miles an hour. Point 2. Point 1. So it's gonna be this guy right here. Okay. Wow. Okay. God, I hate this so much. Ass roads. This would have been fine without this order across all of creation. I don't know how my battery is lasting this long. I am now at 49%. Okay. Wait, so that's... Really? Alright. Interesting. I am south-south. Alright, so we're just going... What is this? Oh, is this Holcomb Bridge? Oh, this is the bottom half of Holcomb Bridge. Okay. Interesting. I've never been this way. I'm chasing the fairy lights. I'm going apart for you. There's our Greenway entrance. All right, the rest is just taking her home. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was. All right. We might need to take sidewalks. All right. Like the camera battery and the bike battery have done some miraculous work today. And they're both tired. Oh my God. Ugh. Freaking gnat flew in my nose. Ugh. I'm home.